Hello friends, welcome to the third video of problems on time and distance. So let's get started. The seventh problem, a marathon runner covers 10 kilometers in 40 minutes. How many hours does he take to complete the marathon of 42 kilometers? Assume that his speed remains constant throughout the whole race. And the options are A. 2 hours 45 minutes, B. 2 hours 40 minutes, C. 2 hours 48 minutes, and D. 2 hours 38 minutes. So let's begin solving. Let's see how to approach the problem. It has been given that the runner covers 10 kilometers in 40 minutes. Thus, we would be able to calculate the speed of the runner from this case. And it is also given that we need to assume the runner's speed remains constant throughout the race. Thus, we can find the time he takes to complete the race by the formula distance by speed once we find out the speed. So coming to the solution, we calculate the speed of the runner from the first case. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. And it is also given that the runner covers 10 kilometers in 40 minutes. It is seen that the distance is given in kilometers and the time is given in minutes. So for easier calculation, that is, to get the final answer speed in kilometers per hour, we convert 40 minutes to hours. So to convert 40 minutes to hours, we divide the whole term by 60. So simplifying this, we get 2 by 3 hours as the final answer. Now let us substitute this value in the formula of speed. So 10 divided by 2 by 3. So carrying out the multiplication, we get 15 kilometers per hour to be the answer. In the next step, we calculate time using the formula distance divided by speed. We know that the distance is 42 kilometers, and now we had earlier calculated the speed of the runner to be 15 kilometers per hour. So time can be calculated as 42 divided by 15, which gives us 2.8 hours. But if you look at the options, we see that the options are given in hours and minutes, so we need to convert 0.8 hours to minutes. To convert 0.8 hours to minutes, we multiply 0.8 by 60. So 0.8 into 60 gives us 48 to be the answer. So our final answer is 2 hours 48 minutes. Now going back to the options, we see that option C matches with our answer. Hence the correct answer is option C. Let us check out another question. A person travels from city A to B, situated at 63 kilometers from A, in car at a speed of 45 kilometers per hour. Then he takes a bus to C from B, which is at 120 kilometers at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. And finally reaches D, situated at 600 kilometers from C, by train at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour. What is the total time taken for the journey if we took a break of half an hour at city C? And the options are A. 11 hours 24 minutes, B. 11 hours 54 minutes, C. 11 hours 30 minutes, and D. 11 hours 44 minutes. In this problem, we need to calculate the time taken by the person for the entire journey. So let us solve this question in parts. We first calculate the time taken from A to B, from B to C, and then from C to D, and finally add all the individual values that we have got to find the final answer. So now let us assume that the time taken to reach A to B, B to C, and C to D be T1, T2, and T3 respectively. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. So in the first step, let us calculate the time taken to reach B from A. We know that the time from A to B is T1. We know that the distance is 63 kilometers and the speed is 45 kilometers per hour. So T1 would be equal to 63 by 45, which is equal to 1.4 hours. 0.4 hours can be converted to minutes by multiplying 0.4 into 60. So 0.4 into 60 is 24 minutes. So T1 is equal to 1 hour 24 minutes. Let us now calculate the time taken to travel from B to C. We have distance as 120 kilometers and speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Therefore, T2 would be equal to 120 divided by 60, which is equal to 2 hours. Now, we finally calculate the time to reach D from C. We know that he travels by train covering a distance of 600 kilometers at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour. So, T3 would be equal to 600 by 75, which is equal to 8 hours. So, the total time taken for the journey would be T1 plus T2 plus T3. So, adding all these terms, 8 plus 2 plus 1 hour 24 minutes gives us 11 hours 24 minutes to be the answer. But if we look back at the problem, we can see that he takes a break of 30 minutes at city C. Hence, we would need to add 30 minutes to this answer that we have obtained to get the final answer. When we add 30 minutes to that, we get 11 hours 54 minutes as the answer. Going back to the options, we see that option B matches with our answer. I hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below. This video ends here. For more problems, refer to my next video. If you found my video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.